Hi guys, in this video we will see an exercise on QlikView. The objective of this particular exercise is what is the use of line or arrow object in QlikView. So over here we can see this particular main sheet or QlikView document. So we need not required to load the data on database for this purpose because we only want the line or arrow object. So it is available over here. Just you have to right click, go to new sheet object object, go to new sheet object and click on line oblique arrow object. So we can see the different styles. So this is the line style. If you want to increase the point, you can increase the point. If you want to make it as simple, you can keep it as simple. If you want to change the color, you can change the color. So we make it as a dark purple. Click on OK. Background color you can also change. You can make it horizontal, vertical, diagonal, falling, like this. Right click OK. So you can see this particular line. So I'll take this particular line over here in the middle of this main sheet. I'll expand this. If I want vertical, I'll go to right click, go to properties, and you can click on vertical, apply, and OK. So this is basically in the vertical minus. Yeah. Again, if I want in horizontal, right click, same procedure you have to follow. Go to general tab, go to horizontal, click on apply, and OK. If I want to display an arrow, right click on this particular line, go to properties and select the arrow style as this. So we have selected arrow style, click on apply and OK. So this is basically an arrow which is being prepared over here. So we can provide a URL to this particular arrow also. So right click on this particular arrow for providing URL, click on properties, go to the action, click on add, click on external, action type external. We have clicked on external. Selection will be external. Then action, what you have to consider as an action? You have to consider as open URL. Click on OK. So just you have to write a URL over here, www.google.com. So if I want this particular google.com to be open, so for that purpose I want to click on that particular arrow. So I'll click on apply and OK. So whenever or at the instance when I click on this particular arrow, so it is going to open the google.com for me. So over here we can see that this is google.com. This is being opened. Similarly, again, if I click, again it is going to open the google.com. You can see over here. So that's it for this video. I hope you have understood what is the use of line or arrow object in QlikView. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.